Hello, sir. How have you been?
I'm being good. It's a good day.
Sir, would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure. My name is Dhwanil. I am from 21-23 batch. I have done my internship in Khimji Ramdas India Private Limited. Got a PPO from there and having a work expo of 2 years and currently working in Khimji Ramdas India Private Limited only.
Your primary responsibilities and tasks during the internship.
My internship experience was really good. It was a mix of emotions. I did a lot of tasks over there. So my primary responsibilities were majorly identifying gaps where new stores can be combed, finding opportunities so that the time for adding of new stores gets reduced, which help the company for saving a hefty amount of cost.
How do you feel the learning at IBS has helped you in your internship?
I learned a lot through case studies in IBS. Two learnings which helped me during my internships were: the first one was the valence expectancy theory, which helped in developing incentive structure for the people who were adding new stores, and the second was honing my Excel skills, which Pranav sir taught over here. So I learned a lot through it and found a lot of opportunities which helped in completing the project.
Would you recommend this organization to your peers for internship? If yes, why or why not?
Okay, so I did my internship in Khimji Ramdas India Private Limited. I would recommend juniors to do internship over here because the work culture over there is really a positive one. So there is an environment where you can learn a lot, and it is like there would be people who would handhold you. So it would help you to learn different things. Like it's like pre-corporate world. You would get pre-corporate experience before entering a corporate experience.